Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to install Oracle VMware and Ubuntu operating system into that virtual machine. So these are the steps which we have followed in this video. We have to follow the same steps for the installation, otherwise you're gonna get some errors. So in order to download the Oracle VMware and Ubuntu, you have to go to this Oracle site. Just type on the Google Oracle VMware download. So open the first link, Oracle VM VirtualBox, and there you can see you will find the uh, Oracle for VMware for Windows, Mac OS, whatever your operating system, download it accordingly. So if you click on that installer, your installation will be started. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. So once your download is completed, so this file will be appear on your download. So for downloading the Oracle, download the Ubuntu OS image file. So go to the Google and just search for Ubuntu ISO download 64-bit. So if your operating system is 64-bit, so you have to download it for 64-bit. Click on the first link, and after that, after coming to this website, you can see your download 24.1.10 24.04.0. So to click on download, your Ubuntu will start download. So this is the file Ubuntu ISO downloading. I'm not going to download it now as I have already downloaded it. So it's a very big file, it might take some time. So once your file is downloaded completely, so this Ubuntu desktop ISO, this image file will be completed. So you have to create one folder and give it any name, and place this virtual box and your Ubuntu ISO file into that folder. So keep it separate. So once our download part is completed, you have to double click this virtual box. So just double click on it. Preparing to install, it will start to prepare. Welcome to VirtualBox, this is showing version. Click on next, and here click on I accept the terms and license, and click on next. Just so this is the path where your VirtualBox will get installed in the C drive. You can also change it to your installation part, but keep it to C drive only. Next. So this is the warning network. You can error this if you are getting this warning. Click yes, and yes, dependency is missing. This will be get downloaded later. Click yes. So these are the options. Please choose from the option. You can tick or untick it based on your preference, and click on next, and click on the install button. So this installation, this might take few minutes. Once installation is completed, this will take few minutes. So once installation is completed, you will see this screen. Installation is done. Installation is completed. Click on finish. Okay, so now our VirtualBox installation is installed successfully. So if you open the VirtualBox, you will see such screen. There you can see there are multiple buttons on top of the screen. You can add, create new. See this screen, this is the UI of your virtual machine. You have to click on the new button to create the machine and give it a name. I'm giving it is a Ubuntu. You can give it any name, and this is the path folder where you will be installed, and this is ISO file which we have already downloaded. So type subtype version, this will be auto selected based on your file. And next, give it a name. Give a name to username to your Ubuntu OS. So this will be your username, and give it a password. So make sure you remember or note down your username and password, because this password will be used to log in into your Ubuntu machine after the installation. So this is your host name and domain name. Leave it other settings as it is, and then click on the hardware. So this is basically a hardware you're gonna provide to your Ubuntu machine. So base memory is a RAM. So in my case I'm going to give it as a 600 MB, so it is around 1.5 GB. And the processor, so my PC has currently 4 CPU, so I will provide it as a 2. Ideally you should give all the range within this green parameter only. So that means your host machine should not run out of space or the resources. So that's why it's ideal to give it within the range only. So make sure, so based on my computer's availability I'm providing it. So once processor and RAM is done, the last step that remains is giving the storage. So this storage you can give it as, you can also provide the existing storage if you have already created. So as of now I have not created any storage, that's why it's empty. So do not add okay, so you have to ignore this and create a virtual hard disk. And this is the path where your virtual hard disk will be saved. So that is .vdi file. So these are your hard disk. And provide the space as per your convenience. So in my case I'm going to give only 15 GB. And so when it is done, click on finish button. So once finish your you can see this virtual box. So your all the details of the your Ubuntu machine is seen here. So when first time this will be auto loaded, your machine started automatically. So once started, try to install Ubuntu, this will be auto selected. So this might take few seconds to get load, because this is the first time we are loading or installing. So even after this your installation is not completed finally, some file gets copied after that. So you have to wait here. It might take few seconds or even up to few minutes based on your system's performance. So you can see this Ubuntu machines is loaded successfully into our virtual machines. So you have to wait, because now the installation is done, but still some important files are yet to be copied. So you will see these screens. So give it its time. Welcome to Ubuntu, preparing Ubuntu. So this you will see for the first time. So if you scroll down, if fast, free and new features, scroll down and you can see the files are being copied here, copying files. So this file copy operation might take few up to few minutes, up to 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Once this all the file copy is done, so your machine will be completely available for use. So after file copy is done, you will see this screen. First time it is starting, the machine Ubuntu machine is starting, it is getting loaded. So when first time your machine is loading, it might take some time. So do not close your virtual machine while this process is happening, because if you do so you're gonna have to reinstall or do the same process again, all the process. So this is booting for the first time. So you can see my username which we had provided while installing is appear now. Click on it and give it the password which you had provided. So I am going to give it my password. authentication. Okay. Once you provide the password, your virtual machine will be logged in, and after that your machine is installed successfully, then you will be able to use your machine. So guys, see, the machine has been installed. Ubuntu machine has been installed successfully into the virtual box. So this is how we can install the machine. Welcome to Ubuntu, screen is shown. So now we can use the machine. So this is the steps we have to follow for installing Ubuntu into Oracle VirtualBox. So if you are getting any error, let us know in the comment section. We will work on that. So thank you so much for watching the video.